Hi guys, this is Eric from Agile Design Fabrication, and today I'll show you how to assemble the 7-panel PARAVENTO folding library, or bookshelf rather. So this one here is so long that our shelves cannot be made out of one single piece, and so for this we created a shorter panel and a longer panel. The assembly is essentially the same as the floor panel, except I'll show you how to offset your joints so that the whole thing looks natural and thick. So firstly, you want to unfold frames here, or panels as I like to call them, and make sure that the angles are roughly 90 degrees. Then you can put the bottom panels, each take a longer shelf and shorter shelf. So these just pop in like this. Voila. So since we started with the shorter panel on the left and the panel on the right, we can do reverse order for the next shelf, and then same all the way to the